He's waiting there in the dugout. He's waiting there to run in. As Leo Messi comes in here to this wonderful RGI Uppal Stadium. It is resonating with Messi, Messi, Messi. Everybody goes out there as he makes his way in. Phenomenal time here in the Go Tour 2025, and I'm Navin Shaurya alongside with Swarnlata right here witnessing history in the making as well. Now this is such a proud moment for everybody as a fan, as a big supporter of the game. May it be any sport, fitness support, that is so real, that is so nice as he shakes hands first of course with Messi All-Stars 11, and then the officials Khalil and the players will all be nice. And there is Revanth Reddy, the man who scored the 4th goal. The signing of the ball happens as Revanth Reddy and Lionel Messi share a nice camaraderie as well as footballers, both of them. That is a phenomenal sight at the RGI grounds in Uppal, Hyderabad. Swarna.
See the happy faces with all the kids, with all the officials, especially Revanth Reddy, and not lesser than the Messi, the legend, the GOAT.
At least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it.
Yes, they are going for a group pick.
Yeah, that's a moment, isn't it? That's a moment. And look at this, as the GOAT, as the legend himself, he's squatting down, he's squatting there, and so is Revanth Reddy. That is sports. It teaches you to be humble, it teaches you to be, inclusive, it teaches you to accommodate everybody alongside with you in your life. And this is exactly why we say you play a sport in your life, you will achieve a lot of things. Physically, mentally, psychologically, you're going to be fit and fine every single time. Play some sport, I want to say to everybody watching this live and exclusive on DD Sports and Prasar Bharati's all channels.